Christmas present to myself. A 2005 Yamaha Grizzly ATV. I don't know all the particulars of it, but it's got all the skid plates and bells and whistles. I think that's a 3,500 pound Warren winch. Heated grips. Geez, I was just riding around with my wife on the back, and what a difference that makes. Like, you can feel it's not meant for two people, it's meant for one. Really, that'd be nice to have a rack on there. It is nice to have that rack on there, very useful. But yeah, trailer hitch, the whole shitaroo, eh? It was 5,000 bucks, but new exhaust too. They did everything. New tires, new everything. It's mint. It's beauty. But I gotta get a trailer hitch put on my Delica there, so I got the hitch. I just gotta get it on and get it wired. But yeah, I really like this. Pretty happy. Oh, it's a 660. It's a nice one. Even the rims are not the originals. This guy went to town on this thing, and they had another one. They just said he couldn't afford to keep the two of them, so wanted 5,500 bucks, and I paid $5, which is fair. It's a beauty. Yeah, pretty happy with that. Hey, so. Hey guys, how are ya? Get out of there, girls. Hi Royal, how are you, my friend? Good morning. Oh, hey buddy, good boy. Hey, you and the silver. She's one of the last silvers. We had two. The other one got killed, dragged through. My other two, the only other two real exotic birds are these beautiful golden lace. They're my favorites. We have two of those as well, and then the rest are just get out of there, River. Just those kind of, red laying hens, Rhode Island Reds. Royal's an Americana. He's a beauty. He's a cool bird too, because he's very friendly. He's not like a fly in your face or be aggressive. But look at those claws on him, eh? Hey, Royal. And those spurs, they call those. He's a beauty, though. He got some of his tail feathers ripped out in the other coop. So anyway, what I was thinking today maybe was I was going to try and make, like my buddy Tony made that window there. I was thinking about making a window there for them too. Because they need more light to lay. Like, I just did their thing. Oh yeah, hey, look at that. We got some nice eggs in here today. That's a beauty, eh? It's got some more. You guys stay out of the dog or the chicken poop. Oh, careful, eh? So yeah, we got 4. Oh, look at this weird one. Holy, what's that? Look at that. It's an abnormal one. Someone farted that one out. Barely pooped it out. Okay, there's nothing in there. Then I tried putting them down here because I thought they might like it in the corner or on the ground, but I know so far, no, I don't see anything there. You guys? You can go out. I guess I'm in the way and the dogs are in the way. That's okay. Okay, get out, Roy. Jeez. These dogs with the chicken poo, man. They're unreal. Leave it. Let's go. Yeah, so like Hazel. Yeah, we gotta get it. I gotta get a trailer too. And we'll be good then, or I'll be good for this. Okay, so we got the window done. It wasn't that bad. I could have probably just left that bar there, but I mean, it's not beautiful or anything, but it's a chicken coop. So yeah, it's just done up, double wired. It's good to go now, because we noticed that they didn't have enough light in here. It was very dark. So now they can sit up on their perch here and look out the window at the owl wanting to kill them or whatever. And yeah, that's the one Tony did. And I did this one. So that's kind of cool. I'm pretty pleased. Got her done. I think tomorrow I'm going to take down one of these pens. And just for the winter, I think, is to put it up around this structure, you know. And get her done so that they can come out. They don't always have to be out on the land that way. So Rio loves this singer. Get out, Rio. Jesus. He's so stupid. Like, I guess he thinks it's pretty exciting, but Alright, yeah, good old Rio. He can't get enough of this thing, eh?